In this video we are going to show how you can use Fundraizo in the most efficient way to find grants or stipends for your research project. For researchers, it is important to know that there is a separate personal dimension to the search next to the project dimension. This means you need to conduct a search for addresses that might support you because of your origin, gender, age, domicile, religion, etc. Once you have done this, you can proceed with looking for addresses interested in the subject of your project. To visualize this, we are going now through some examples with regard to the personal dimension. 1. If you are, for example, from Brazil, search for Brazilian to find addresses that mention the support of Brazilians. 2. It can also make sense to search for the city and canton you live or lived in. As an example, we enter Research Schweiz. 3. If you are, for example, Jewish or Catholic, search for it and check if there are addresses supporting people of a specific religion. Obviously, that counts also for other religions. Once the personal dimension has been covered, you should proceed to the project dimension. 1. Search for the field of your research. Let's take here oncology. 2. Search for the destination country where the research will take place. We try out Japan. You can also search for a specific institute of research. 3. Search for specific keywords or synonyms that you might know due to your specialization. Please note that this sign means that the original language of an address is different from your search language. Although many addresses accept today requests in English even if their own language is different, it makes sense to check if you really can correspond in English before you send there your documents. Check it by looking at the website, calling or writing an email up front. We hope this video helped you understand how to approach your Fundraizo search in the most efficient way.